Alright guys, today is Monday, April 22nd, and this is my lunch for today. This is basically my Easter dinner. I made some coleslaw and some cabbage and kielbasa, and I brought some red hot pork skins. Not really sure if I'm going to eat it all. I'm not really hungry, but I don't want to not eat and then be hungry later since I'm at work and I won't have the option to go get anything. Hey guys, it's Monday, and for dinner tonight I'm having this. I have my chili that I meal prepped. This was 8 ounces. I just used this 8 ounces of chili to make the kids, they got two beef hot dogs, and then I just poured some of the chili over top for all through the younger kids, and then I just used what was left and I put my 2 hot dogs inside of it. I had some of my coleslaw that I made, and then I had some of this broccoli cauliflower salad as well. I kind of just went to town on this when I was cooking the hot dogs. So yeah, I can't eat any more of that now. I'm gonna be so gassy. Sorry guys. Hey guys, hey! It's Tuesday, April 23rd, and today I have more leftovers from my Easter meal. Totally obsessed with this coleslaw, I'll just say. I will try to remember to link the coleslaw recipe from Amanda's page down below because it is delicious. She makes amazing recipes, you guys. If you haven't already checked her out, please do so because her food, oh my god. Anyways, let's get to it. So I just have, this is probably about 2 ounces or 2 servings, I'm sorry, of the kielbasa and cabbage, maybe more. I'm not sure. I didn't weigh it, you guys. My food scale does not work. It's cheap. I need a new one. So I really need to get on that. But here is the kielbasa and I can't think, cabbage and garlic and onion. I have a video coming up probably next week about how this was all made. And then this delicious, beautiful coleslaw. Look how creamy it is. Look at the pepper flakes. This is some food porn right now, you guys. This looks so good. And it's kind of messy. Anyway. Alright guys, this is tonight's dinner. This is Tuesday, April 23rd. And what I did was went to Wendy's for the kids. And I got myself a Baconator plain. I cut up my Baconator. I added it to, this is like 4 romaine leaves, chopped up, 1 avocado. And then I took the side of mayo that came with the Baconator and just put it on top of this. And down with the rest of this Coke Zero. So, tomato would be good in this, but I don't have any tomato. That's it, guys. Alright, here is Thursday's lunch. It's not Thursday, I'm sorry. Here is Wednesday's lunch. I have some of my coleslaw, some of my loaded tuna casserole, and 3 strawberries, and a Cracker Barrel cheese stick. Alright guys, it's Wednesday night and this is dinner. This is 4 eggs cooked up with salt and pepper, and 2 slices of the garlic herb Cracker Barrel mozzarella cheese. And then there was 4 slices of bacon, but I've already ate 2. Washing it down with a V. Alright guys, it's Thursday and I have the leftover of my tuna, my loaded tuna, which a video for this, my tuna boats, I think it's next week. I've been pumping out the videos, you guys, so, oh my god, look how dry my hands are. I'm editing that out, I'm so sorry. That and my ratchet at AF nails. Yes, let's keep it friendly. I need to clean my car. Look at this. Dirt everywhere, dog hair everywhere. Like, you want to see that, right? This is my lunch box. I'm sorry I don't have one. I have this cute little bag. So besides the tuna, I have 1.5 servings of the pepperoni. It's just the rest of it. I have 1 ounce of cheddar cheese. That looks like it was drying out. And then I have 1 serving of pumpkin seeds. So that's my lunch today, and then I'm just drinking some water with it. I think I got this bloating crap under control. I'm pretty sure it was the cabbage. So instead of staring at the top of this Betty Crocker lid with a linky hair on the outside, I'll let you guys go. See you at dinner. Oh my god, you guys, I forgot to show you my dinner. Oopsie. I can tell you, and I can insert a picture. It was 4 eggs scrambled with 1 ounce of cheddar cheese and 6 pieces of bacon. I had 2 pieces of sausage too.